Hello guys, so today I'm going to start the second video about Microsoft Word. So let's start today. So today I will give you some sort of the menu introduction where we can see different functionality of Microsoft Word. So let's come up with the simple things like I'm going to write a sentence and I will show you how to format the things in a proper way. Like suppose I'm writing here so I have written here this is the simple statement. Okay, so first of all I'm going to select this statement. Before doing anything you have to select the word statement character to make it effective. If you apply any format or anything over the word or on the statement, so how can you select the entire line or a particular word? So you can simply drag your mouse over the statement, it will be selected and it will be grayed out, and it is the indication that you have selected the statement. Now you can apply a different format over this particular line. So we have if you can see here, we have multiple format things here on the main bar actually. So suppose you want to change your font. Font means we have in Windows by default so many font style. That means how can you write your fonts? So you have so many fonts. If you click on this particular drop down arrow marks, you will get some sort of font name. So suppose I'm selecting here Arial Narrow or Arial Black. Okay, so let's put it here Arial Narrow. Okay, so you can see here, so this has been changed now. Okay, so over this the new font style has been applied. Now I'm going to copy. So for again you have to select the statement, then you can see here the copy statement, or you can right click over your mouse to get some sort of menu, and you have copy, cut and so many options there. So we'll go through one by one the different options in coming days in my upcoming videos. So first of all I will tell you about the copy thing. So you can copy it here. Also we have one option on keyboard, so just simply you can press in a single way to copy, Control plus C button to copy. So if you can write down, you can note down here. So this is the way you can write down to copy. Once your statement is copied, okay, so I have clicked on copy. Now you bring your cursor down to somewhere in the document so that you can paste it. You have three options again. You can paste here from this menu. You can right click your mouse and you have multiple options if you want to paste here or this one or anything. So I'm using to paste this statement from keyboard because I'm using computer mostly every day or every time at least 10 to 12 hours. So I'm using my keyboard to shortcut to print this particular statement. I'm pasting that statement over here, so I'm using this Control plus V. So I'm writing for your reference actually. So this is about the copy shortcut key. If you are pasting by using your statement here, so the shortcut key again CTRL plus V. Okay, Sorry. Okay, so this is about the copy and paste. About the sentence, you have seen a particular the font style. Now I'm going to tell you about a few more things. You can decrease or increase the size of the font from here. You can select as much as you can apply the size of this font. Also, you have a kind of just simply click over this particular icon to make it bigger, or if you click here, so you can make it smaller. Okay, right, so this is about the font. Now you have the options like you can make it bold, then you can apply the second line. Just I'm copying here. Okay, you can also remove this particular bold weightage from this statement back to the normal one. Okay, if you applied this, you can see here this particular icon is highlighted here. That means you have applied bold weightage on this particular statement or the font. Now if you want to make it italic, then you can press this button. You can remove like the way we have done for bold. Okay, and now you have the option to make underline for this statement. You can also have multiple options here. Suppose you want to give some sort of different, or you can want you can apply some kind of color under for particular underline statement. Okay, so this is how it is about. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about applying the color over this particular statement. So I'm pasting here by copying that particular statement by following the same way we have used earlier. So I'm selecting this statement. Now we have multiple options, like you can apply the style of the font. We have kind of different style here, so you can choose any one of them, and you can apply the color as well. There are multiple options here, you can see here. So it's beautiful. If you want to choose, you can design your document in very effective way. And obviously I will tell you about some sort of template we have from Windows or from Microsoft. You can see here some of the reflection you can apply. Okay, now if you can see here, we have more the effects to be applied on the statement or the font. Okay, so this is how actually we can apply some style over the statement or the font. Now I will go to the next section. Okay, so I'm again copying that particular statement. Okay, so you can apply some sort of background color for the area where you have written your statement. Suppose I'm selecting the statement, you can apply this. Okay, any one of the color, or you can apply no color here. So suppose I'm applying here, it's my favorite color, yellow, so I'm applying here yellow. If you want to change the font color, you have the option as well, so you can apply some sort of font color here. So there are many options, like you can choose any one of them. So the combination of yellow and green, it's looking very beautiful. Okay, so one of the most usable option in the Microsoft Word, even you can use this particular things in many applications in Microsoft Office. So if you want to apply the same format of this particular statement without going to many options, you can simply use the format painter. You can click here and just go to the statement, any of the statement, and it will simply make it like the earlier we have used for the ever one. So this is the quick way. Or if you want to undo your style, your applied format, then you can click Ctrl plus Z, so it will bring you the previous state. Okay guys, so I think we have seen the format and the style of the font today. So I will come up with the next video to see other options, and there are so many options in Microsoft Word. So keep watching my video. I will go through one by one, and in very quick way, very effective way, you will see. And at the end of the entire session, you will come up with the knowledge so that you can create very good simple Word document for your office work and other purposes also. Thank you very much for watching.